Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Finding a swamp deer is never easy. Every expedition requires patience, experience, and deep respect for wildlife. Every observation teaches us more about these magnificent animals. Conservation always comes before. The antlers of a mature swamp deer are truly remarkable. Each year they naturally grow, are shed. Only after an antler has been naturally shed do skilled collectors begin their search. No animal is harmed during this. Every naturally shed antler goes through a detailed inspection. Only the highest quality pieces are chosen for the remarkable transformation that lies ahead. The journey now moves from the wilderness to the workshop, where traditional craftsmanship and modern technology will come.
The real transformation begins now. Over the next stages, you'll witness every step as naturally shed swamp deer antlers.
We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present.
Every masterpiece starts with careful organization. Each naturally shed antler is identified, documented. Only the finest naturally shed antlers qualify for luxury craftsmanship. Every detail is inspected to ensure exceptional quality.
Then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated.
A controlled cleaning process ensures every antler is hygienic, safe, and perfectly prepared for fine craftsmanship. Controlled drying protects the natural strength of every antler while preparing it for precision manufacturing. Every cut is carefully planned before a single machine begins its work, ensuring the best possible use of each naturally shed antler. Precision cutting transforms one natural antler into multiple high-quality components ready for specialized craftsmanship.
AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3 Meta AI.
Every section has its purpose. Skilled artisans match each piece with the product it is best suited to become.
The foundation is complete. Now, true craftsmanship begins as every piece starts its journey toward becoming a luxury masterpiece.
Every antler has its own natural character. Skilled artisans carefully study each piece before the carving begins.
Patience and precision define this stage. Every careful cut brings the material one step closer to perfection. Modern equipment and traditional craftsmanship work together to create flawless details.
Is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't.
Every curve is carefully refined to achieve exceptional symmetry and outstanding craftsmanship. The finest details can only be perfected by skilled hands with years of experience. Cleaning between every stage ensures the natural beauty remains visible throughout the entire process. Luxury products demand uncompromising quality. Every piece must pass a strict inspection before moving forward. The polishing stage begins to reveal the remarkable elegance hidden within every naturally shed antler.
From raw natural material to refined craftsmanship, the transformation is becoming truly extraordinary.
Every polished piece is carefully assigned to the product it is best suited to become, ensuring maximum beauty and functionality. Only the strongest and most beautiful antler sections are chosen for premium knife handles. Every hole must be perfectly aligned to guarantee strength, balance, and long-lasting performance.
This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real.
Precision assembly ensures every luxury knife feels as exceptional as it looks. Larger antler sections become sophisticated walking stick handles that combine timeless style with skilled craftsmanship. Every walking stick is carefully assembled to deliver strength, comfort, and refined elegance. Even the smallest pieces are transformed into beautiful jewelry that celebrates the natural character of the antler.
nothing goes to waste. Every carefully selected piece finds a meaningful purpose through skilled craftsmanship.
Generations. The transformation is remarkable. What began as naturally shed antlers is now a stunning collection.
Luxury begins with perfection. Every product is carefully inspected by experienced craftsmen before it receives its final finish. The final polish enhances the natural beauty of each antler, revealing a smooth, elegant finish that truly stands out.
Hand finishing adds the final touch that machines simply cannot replicate.
Present AI visuals as real footage. This video is created.
Every signature piece proudly represents the craftsmanship and dedication behind the vault of civilization's name.
Nothing leaves the workshop until it meets the highest standards of quality and precision.
Professional presentation allows customers around the world to appreciate every handcrafted detail.
Premium craftsmanship deserves premium packaging, ensuring every masterpiece arrives in perfect condition.
Every finished product is securely packaged with the same care and attention given throughout the entire manufacturing process.
Using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept. Then
Every masterpiece is carefully organized before beginning its journey to customers around the world.
Advanced tracking systems ensure every handcrafted product can be monitored from the factory to its final destination. Careful packaging and secure handling protect every luxury item throughout its global journey.
Every shipment passes one last inspection before leaving the factory, guaranteeing quality from start to finish.
The journey now extends far beyond the workshop as these handcrafted creations begin traveling across the world. Through land, sea, and air, every handcrafted masterpiece reaches collectors who appreciate exceptional craftsmanship.
Around the world, these handcrafted creations become centerpieces in luxury collections and specialty stores.
Every product tells a story of skilled craftsmanship, precision, and respect for natural materials.
Behind every masterpiece stands a dedicated team whose skill, patience, and passion bring each creation to life.
From naturally shed antlers to world-class luxury craftsmanship, you've witnessed an extraordinary transformation.
Every masterpiece represents countless hours of craftsmanship, precision, and dedication to quality. True craftsmanship is recognized in every detail, from the natural texture to the flawless finish.
Each premium creation is accompanied by a certificate of authenticity, celebrating the skill and dedication behind its creation. Every product reflects the perfect balance between nature's beauty and human craftsmanship.
and competitors' concept. Then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animation.
From a naturally shed antler discovered in the wild to a refined luxury masterpiece, every stage has been guided by precision and care.
The final polish reveals the remarkable character hidden within every naturally shed antler.
This journey is made possible by dedicated professionals who combine innovation, craftsmanship, and respect for natural materials. Every department plays a vital role in transforming naturally shed antlers into products admired around the world.
Thank you for joining Vault of Civilizations on this incredible journey of craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this documentary,
From nature's remarkable gift to handcrafted luxury, every step has been driven by precision, patience, and passion.
Perfection isn't optional. Every product must meet the highest standards before it earns its place in the final collection.
Each creation is displayed with pride, showcasing the unique beauty that only nature and skilled craftsmanship can achieve together. Every masterpiece is professionally documented, so its craftsmanship can be appreciated by audiences around the world.
The presentation is designed to match the quality of the craftsmanship, creating an unforgettable unboxing experience.
What begins as a naturally shed antler in the wild eventually becomes a treasured.
Respect for wildlife remains at the heart of this journey. Naturally shed antlers allow craftsmanship and
Thank you for watching this journey with Vault of Civilizations. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, subscribe, and join us for more.
So hello guys, welcome back to another short note. This is the documentary about the Swamp Deer Horn Processing Factory documentary. So this 80 scenes documentary titled Inside a Swamp Deer Horn Processing Factory, the amazing journey from waste to luxury masterpieces produced by Vault of Civilization, takes viewers on an extraordinary journey from the wetland where swamp deers naturally shed their antlers to a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility where these raw materials are transformed into luxury products. The documentary begins in the mystery marshes where the Vault of Civilization team ethically observes swamp deer's herd and carefully collects over only naturally shed ensure without disturbing the wildlife, conservation and respect for nature. The journey then moves to the modern factory where skilled craftsman is blue of Vault Civilization's uniform, inspect, clean, cut, curve, sand, polish and assemble the Antler piece into premium knife handles, elegant walking sticks handles, jewelry, stylish keychains and decorative different items means. So if you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe Vault of Civilization, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video. Yalla, bye bye.
This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage. This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.